Welcome back to the channel. I'm a passionate gardener with over 20 years of experience growing organic food in all kinds of spaces and climates. In this video, I'm sharing 20 genius small garden hacks that helped me grow enough food to feed my family, even in limited space. So grab your notepad because we're about to make every inch count. Instead of spreading out, go up. Use trellises, cages, and vertical planters to grow more food with less ground space. Climbing plants like beans, peas, cucumbers, and squash are perfect. And for smaller containers, you can grow herbs, lettuce, strawberries, or even cherry tomatoes and peppers. With a drip irrigation system or soaker hoses attached to a timer, you'll save hours on watering. And because these systems water from the soil up, your plants stay healthier and you reduce the risk of disease. I personally love the rain point timers, especially the solar-powered ones for container setups. Grow bags are lightweight, breathable, and perfect for growing just about anything. For mobility and ease of use, I recommend bags that are 15 gallons or smaller. They're great for root development, and they also help prevent waterlogging. To keep the soil moist, especially during hot summer days, add wool pellets to your pots or raised beds. These all-natural, biodegradable pellets made from sheep's wool improve moisture retention and feed the soil over time. Plant combinations that support each other. For instance, tomatoes love growing near basil, onions, or lettuce. The Three Sisters method of corn, beans, and squash is another powerful combo. And don't forget marigolds. They're small, colorful, and naturally repel pests. Maximize your yields by dividing your garden into 1 by 1 feet squares. This method helps prevent overcrowding while also making succession planting easier and more organized. Instead of planting once and harvesting once, choose crops that regrow. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale can be harvested again and again if you just cut the outer leaves and leave the core intact. Every few weeks, plant new seeds in the same space. This way, while one plant is growing, another is being harvested, so your garden stays productive all season long. Mix different plants together based on height, root depth, or growth rate. This reduces competition while maximizing space. Try planting fast-growing greens under slower-growing tomatoes, for example. Mulch isn't optional, it's essential. By adding a layer of mulch with straw, pine needles, or shredded leaves, you'll retain moisture, suppress weeds, and build healthier soil without extra effort. Even in a small space, short-term cover crops like clover, buckwheat, or oats can dramatically improve your soil. Use them between seasons or in unused areas to boost nutrients and structure. Never throw away fruit peels or veggie scraps again. Even if you don't have a big compost bin, a simple countertop container or worm bin can turn your food waste into black gold. Even in small gardens, crop rotation is essential. By changing plant families each season, you can avoid pest buildup and soil nutrient depletion. For example, grow leafy greens after root crops and follow fruiting crops with legumes to fix nitrogen back into the soil. Instead of planting full-size vegetables, opt for dwarf or container-friendly varieties, such as bush tomatoes, patio cucumbers, or baby eggplants. These plants are specially bred to thrive in tight spaces, all while producing impressive yields. For those who want to extend their growing season, a mini greenhouse made from PVC pipes and clear plastic can work wonders. It's inexpensive, easy to build, and protects your crops from cold, wind, and pests, especially during early spring or late fall. You don't need fancy containers to grow food. Use buckets, crates, milk jugs, or even old drawers. Just make sure they have good drainage holes. And by repurposing old items, you're gardening sustainably while saving money. Combine vertical and horizontal growing by adding trellises directly into raised beds. This allows climbing plants to grow up while freeing up soil space below for leafy greens or root vegetables. It's a space-saving strategy used by market gardeners and homesteaders alike. If your small garden is shaded or sits next to a wall, place reflective materials like mirrors, aluminum sheets, or even white painted boards behind your plants. These will bounce light back onto the leaves, which boosts growth and encourages more photosynthesis. To prevent overwatering or underwatering, invest in or build self-watering containers. These systems have a water reservoir at the bottom that plants draw from as needed, making your garden more efficient, especially during hot or dry spells. Track your planting dates, harvests, successes, and failures in a dedicated journal. This habit helps you plan better next season, and since you're working with limited space, every inch and every plant matters. Plus, it's a great way to reflect on how much you've grown, literally and figuratively. So there you go, 20 game-changing garden hacks to help you grow more food in less space and with less stress. Whether you're gardening on a balcony, rooftop, or compact backyard, these techniques are proven to help small spaces deliver big results. Which of these hacks will you try first? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly gardening tips that actually work.